Technology has totally transformed the lives of the people during the last 2 decades and made it easier. Traditional industries have totally been transformed, and gone are the days when everything used to be on paper. Now, big data servers and computers have taken their place. Talking about technology, we will discuss an application called ProLaw in this video, and you will understand how ProLaw cloud hosting has changed the traditional law industry completely and helped professional law practitioners and big firms stay ahead of their peers. What is ProLaw? ProLaw is advanced accounting software that has been designed for mid-sized and large firms, which efficiently manages the documents and eliminates paper usage. ProLaw is a legal practice management software designed for firms with more than 6 users. It acts as a one-stop destination for all professional law practitioners for all their accounting needs. With the implementation of ProLaw, the law practitioners and firms can increase their productivity and efficiency multiple times, which saves their time and effort but helps them in getting and completing more work. One of the major advantages of this amazing software is that it is cloud-based, which lets you enjoy all the benefits of the cloud while working on a straightforward and easy-to-use UI, since all the small and large industries are migrating to the cloud these days. ProLaw hosting on the cloud attracts many firms in the US as it caters to all their needs perfectly. Applications and benefits of ProLaw. Now, since we know what exactly is ProLaw, let us discuss how it benefits your law practice to a major extent. Efficient financial management. Apart from being an excellent document and legal management tool, ProLaw is currently one of the most efficient financial management tools. It can effectively manage the general ledger, books, budgets, accounting, and many more things that are otherwise very difficult to manage and track without ProLaw. Financial reports can be generated with these using the ProLaw software, which is very useful for firms. Billing. Making invoices and billing becomes extremely easy with ProLaw as the professionals can apply flexible billing rates. Fees, etc. The best part about this software is that you can also accept credit card payments, which is a huge bonus. ProLaw makes the payments very easy for both client and attorney by giving flexible payment options. Efficient time management. With the help of ProLaw, you can easily track hours while using applications like Outlook, Microsoft Excel, Word, or PDF files, all thanks to the automatic timer options available in the software itself, which asks you every time whether you want to track hours. With excellent ProLaw support, you will never have to worry about anything related to the technicalities of the software and real-time issues. Calendar tasks and emails, dates are significant for both the clients and the attorney, so it becomes essential to track all the schedules for various dates. This is possible with ProLaw as it makes the calendaring and email tasks very smooth and easy, and you will never miss any appointment or case date. Efficient document management. All thanks to the ProLaw cloud, document management has become extremely easy. Storing, accessing, and editing documents in various formats becomes extremely handy, and you can store different files easily and efficiently. Converting documents to PDF is also one of the best features of this software. When storage of files is done efficiently, the chances of losing important case files becomes negligible, which is a huge bonus for the attorneys. Efficient case management. Attorneys have to deal with different cases daily, and ProLaw can efficiently manage those cases for them. While dealing with multiple cases, it sometimes becomes difficult for the attorneys to keep everything on the right track. Still, with ProLaw, all the calendar-related tasks, including reminders and email notifications, become so much easier.